Summertime in sunny California. Don't you guys just love this time of the year? Perfect for the entire family to jump into the pool on the weekend. Just have a great time. You know what's not so great? The daily struggle of keeping the surface of that pool clean. But what if I told you your pool could literally clean itself while you're inside relaxing? Meet the Beatbot iSkim robot, a smart solar powered robotic skimmer that takes the manual labor out of keeping your pool pristine and clean all summer long. Let's go ahead and check it out. But before we get into checking out the super cool Beatbot iSkim robot, I've got something really cool to tell you. And it's probably one of my favorite things to do here on the channel. And it's to tell you how you could win $50 for free. It's just a small way for me to show some appreciation back to you guys. All you have to do is drop a comment down below and tell me some of your favorite things to do during summertime. Or tell me a dad joke, or maybe just share something fun about yourself. And don't forget to leave a way for me to contact you down there as well. We'll run this until June 15, 2026, but if you don't win, don't worry, we'll have a brand new giveaway starting right after that as well. So make sure you watch the full video and definitely hit that subscribe button because that automatically doubles your chances to win. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family, maybe they can get in on the action as well. I'll have all the details linked down in the description below, but for now, let's get back into the review of the Beatbot iSkim robot. First off, full disclosure, this product was sent over to me by Beatbot, but they had zero say in this review and my thoughts about this product. Okay, with that out of the way, straight out of the box, the iSkim feels incredibly premium. You get the robot, your manuals, and that is it. But to be completely transparent with you guys, here is my biggest gripe. At this premium price point, Beatbot doesn't actually include the charging adapter in the box. Yes, the 24-watt solar panel handles the charging about 90% of the time, which is fantastic. But on a cloudy week or during the winter, when you might need that quick charge, you either have to make sure it's charged beforehand or buy the charger separately for about $100. It is a small detail, but I really wish they had just thrown one in the box. Now, for all the good stuff, to set up the iSkim, it's a pretty straightforward and quick process. Just download the Beatbot app, pair it via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and that's it. It's ready to clean the pool. There are no hoses, no hooks, and absolutely zero setup complexity. You just drop it right into the water, and it instantly gets to work. Now, what separates this from budget skimmers is the tech. On top is a massive 24-watt solar panel equipped with SolarTrack light chasing technology that constantly charges the 10,000 mAh battery on the inside. It intelligently navigates toward the sunniest parts of your pool to constantly recharge itself while it works. Like seriously, on a sunny California day, we had it cleaning the pool at my brother's house for 4 hours straight, and the battery went down only 1%. And as it moves and cleans, it uses Sonic Sense obstacle avoidance to actively detect and dodge pool steps and floats. Plus, these guided edge wheels let it tightly hug the walls, protecting your pool from scratches while getting perfect edge-to-edge cleaning. You can monitor all of this in the Beatbot app. You get real-time water temperature, and you can even use a remote joystick control and a speed boost mode. And my favorite part, you can also serve drinks to your guests by placing them on top and delivering them straight to your guests. Okay, on a more serious note, but even without the sun, the built-in 10,000 milliamp hour battery gives you up to 28 hours of continuous runtime. I recommend using it on a schedule right before bed, and I wake up to a perfectly clean pool. And that right there is the whole pitch, the fact that it saves you that one extra step before you get into the pool. Now, when it comes to raw power, the iSkim uses an extra wide 29 by 270 millimeter inlet with dual motor propulsion. Me and my brother threw a ton of leaves into his pool to test it, and it just devoured them all. It also got rid of all the bugs and bees that were floating around in the pool. Because of all the trees that surround the property, everything goes into this massive 9-liter filter basket that supposedly holds up to 800 leaves.
I was genuinely surprised by how big this basket was. And thanks to the anti-spill hatch, debris is locked in tightly even when the robot reverses, and emptying it is completely mess-free and super easy. Just pull the basket out and empty it out and load it back in. Literally takes even less than 5 minutes. And after your pool is nice and clean and you're ready to swim, you don't have to awkwardly fish it out from the center of the pool with a long pole. Just trigger one tap auto parking in the app, and the iSkim independently drives itself right to the edge for you and just hangs out over there, which is super convenient. And whether you have an above ground or in ground pool, rectangular, kidney, or free form, the iSkim handles all surface materials. And Beatbot backs it with a 3-year full replacement warranty, which is one of the longest coverage terms in the entire category. So thank you, Beatbot.
So do me a favor, if you are ready to take skimming out of your chore list, I've put a direct link to the Beatbot website down in the description below. I've also linked it on Amazon if that checkout is going to be easier for you with my affiliate link down there. I'd love to hear from you guys. Drop your pool size down below, or if you have any specific questions, whether the iSkim will work for your specific pool type, ask way down in the comments. I'll try to answer as many as I can to the best of my knowledge. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one very soon. Later.